days.
Just chilling, bro.
Honestly, dog, I've had like 3 IPAs in the past hour and a half.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Now that I know he's feeling good, time to really push the car to its limits. But before that, let's do an intro.
What's up, you guys? I'm making another point of view video since you guys liked the last one so much. Put your glasses on. Driving around in the Crocs, you know how we do it. Turn on the halos, you know how I be rocking. You guys like my manual swap? You know how I be rocking. Zoom my chair up a little bit. Car is absolutely filthy, so don't rag me on that, but that's just my compressor back there going off to fill my bags. Warm the car up a little bit. Hit that yellow turn on him real quick.
That's what I always do.
Damn, them Continentals kind of hook, don't they? Didn't even let the car warm up properly, but it's all good. We're all good in the hood. Scraping 3, 2, 1. Yes, sir. Bro, you gotta get one of them bitches. Wasting gas. I did not want to blow that guy's eardrum out. Yeah, dead ass. Oh shit. Oh shit. People love it.
Dude,
oh! Oh! Hit it again! People love it. Here he comes with the speed. We got a race car driver out here. Come on, turn. Oh, it's not gonna turn green, is it? Some pops under the tunnel. On me to wash my car. Imagine having a video of yourself in present moment, and then in 5-10 years you look back on it and be like, damn, that was so much fun.
Yeah.
I do that now for videos like 3-4 years old.
Oh, yeah.
I can't imagine I'm like a grown adult. I'm like, damn, I was really right here.
That's what it boils down to.
Yeah.
Just having fun with
Crazy.
Imagine driving by this guy and just like,
Dude, he'd probably fall.
He'd probably fall off his bike.
He'd literally fall off his bike. I didn't understand how loud that was outside the car until I let Lisette do it.
Oh, really?
And it's
Like with you outside the car?
it's incredible. It's crazy. It literally feels like you feel it in your chest. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we made it to where we wanted to be, and I'm just gonna snag a couple photos for the gram. Brian's taking some cool, you know, videography for me. But yeah, I mean, she looks good. I'm really upset because I just put these on and I'm already missing an A, an N, an O, and a K. It's not a big deal because these stickers didn't even fit this rim. I actually had to cut them. The rears that actually did fit, as you could tell, they're all fine because they fucking fit. But, you know, even this side too. But as you could tell, the fronts, they didn't really fit. I also found a little tip that people use rubber cement or super glue that works on rubber, I guess. I mean, all super glue works on rubber, obviously, but this glue is specific for rubber to rubber, and because when you super glue, it gets stick and it doesn't have much flex. So I think that's what's kind of happening. But anyways, yeah, let's take a couple photos for the gram. Car looks great. And then, yeah, that's the end of the video, guys.